Good evening, friends. Welcome to my channel Versatile Love. Yes, we are women, we are versatile in nature. We can do anything and everything. Today I am showing you how to do facial with Oriflame products. Okay, because today's scenario we are not able to go to the parlor due to the corona. So that is why how to taking care yourself, your skin in home. So it is badly required like each and everything. Okay, because we are each and every day we are actually going through different sort of under sunlight we are working, and also we are cooking on a heat, near to the heat, and also we are going outside, and some the UV rays are also affecting our skin. So here I am showing you how to do facial with Oriflame product, and also you have to know first how many layers in our skin. There are 3 layers in our skin. The upper one, which is seen to you, this is called epidermis, and the second layer it is called dermis, and the third layer is called hypodermis. So in my working area, how would my the cream is penetrating in our skin and our skin looks healthy. So let's start the video. So again I am using this product. This is papaya kit. This is papaya kit. Here I am first of all using, this is scrub. First of all I am going to use this scrub. This is papaya scrub, and this is made by apricot beads. That is why it is penetrating well in our skin. So here I am using little bit of, very little amount of it's required. I am here using little amount of scrubber over to my face, and also taking some water and rubbing gently. Scrubbing is required because in dead cells we have to remove it. So that is why scrubbing is must before doing any facial. So you can see, you can really observe very well and how the effect of this cream. Here no plastic beads are using here in Oriflame product. In Oriflame product, the main thing is the main feature is here all the ingredients are using here is only the botanical effects. Here no other plastic beads are using here. You can see which products we may buy from the market. They are saying the apricot seeds they are using, but not so. They are using plastic beads, and which is not melting properly on your face. So I have done. So I remove. Again, you can check my skin too, and gradually you can see the difference. I am using soft, this is in Bengali is called gamcha. You can use towel also. I am not using here any towel. It is very soft to my skin. I always fond to using this. Next, the first one is scrubber. Second one is cleanser. This is cleanser. Okay. So now I am going to use my cleanser. How to be use it? I have taken this amount of and gently apply on my skin. I have seen in parlor they are not washing their hand, right? So here is all the cream. You can see here is the hole. So no need to put your hand on into the cream. In parlor I have seen they are actually using their hand just into the cream and taken away it, and it was very unhygienic, and I have tell several times not to use it, because when I am observing someone I tell please do not do this. Some parlors are actually doing this, not every parlors, not like that. You can see the changes, friend. You can see the changes. Now I am taking some cotton and use this toner. This toner is also available in Oriflame, but here I am not using Oriflame toner as because I have other two. So here I am not using Oriflame product, but it is better to use Oriflame product, the whole product. This is Papaya Love Nature's face. This Love Nature facial kit. It is Love Nature facial kit. So you can see, yes, you cannot see the dirt, but I can see the dirt here. From starting my video, you have seen I am not wearing any kajal or not wearing any, I am not done any makeup. So it is not, you have seen the dirt is there, but still you can see today is Sunday. I am not go outside, but still some dirt in my skin. So you have understood, in house also our skin is also affected by dirt, by pollution. So again, this is the cotton, but still the cotton is looking very good, but it is in white is black, some dirt is there. So I am throw it off, and again starting with my next is, this is face cream or massage cream. This is face cream or massage cream. This is face cream or massage cream. This is Love Nature Papaya Tropical Foods. Tropical fruits. Before using or before taking some cream from here, okay, I definitely wash my hand first. And if you applying to someone, you definitely wash your hand with sanitizer, and this is mandatory. Before that I am using here and taken some cream. This amount of cream is required. If you done your facial 15 days in a month. Otherwise, if your skin wants more, you have to give, because our skin if dehydrate, then we definitely need more and more cream, face cream. You will be feeling something irritating, but not like that. This is because the natural ingredients are using here in Oriflame, every Oriflame product, and the main thing is that they are not using their product, they are not research and developing their product by the using to the animals. They are researching and developing their product onto the human body, not to the animals. So they are well known about their product, to whom they are offering their product. As because of time constraint, I will be complete this total procedure within 5 minutes, but definitely you have to give your massage more than is up to 15 minutes required, because most of us not actually taking care of our skin. And I have already tell you the 3 layers is epidermis, dermis and hypodermis. These all go to your second layer, dermis. So you can see my face, how it is glowing, how it is glowing. If you are feeling dryness onto your skin, so this is the knock of your skin that you badly need some facial or massage to your skin. Otherwise your skin will look unhealthy, and pores and the pores will be looking, observing well, because they are open. And if your pores is open, that means they are actually eating. They are eating all dirt and pollution. So we have to take care of our skin, and it should be looks healthy. There is no need to be look like Deepika Padukone or Katrina Kaif. You have to buy your own, but your skin looks healthy, it should be glow, and you should look glamorous. And glamorous word doesn't mean that you are using very huge amount of product. No, you just need to take care of your skin by the using this facial. The price I will be given in the description box, and also my number. If anyone wants to get it, you just call me or give me your comments. If you want this product, I will give you in consultation price. I am not selling any product. If people wants, yes, I need some cream, that is why again I am washing my hand. Because I am open my eyes, so lay some cream are stuck on my eyes. Here it's okay. Again I am taking some cream, because 20 days before I have taken some, I have done my facial. So again I am rubbing it. You have seen that how much product is required in Oriflame. Very little amount of product is required. If you do by your own, those are there. If you do by your own, so I think it will be done by this facial kit is 18 times. And if other is doing, like any parlor people is doing your facial, so might be 15 times it will be gone. I mean, it will be taken. Here you can see the difference of my skin from starting my video. I am not applying anything, but after using this facial, how my skin will be glowing. You have seen some dark circle over here, but you can see the effective result. Actually, this facial kit is give you the instant result. Okay, if you want to go to a party or a marriage occasion, now this is not possible. No marriage ceremony is held right now, but still, if you in future, if you want to go to a party, or if you have announcing any party at your home, so this facial kit is very much useful because of its instant result. Sometimes you feel this is not a gold, not a pearl, not a platinum, it is a fruit facial. So fruit means always been a, when I am smelling it smells that I am using some papaya on my face, onto my face. Yes, some papaya, some pineapple. Yes, I am feeling that someone is eating and I am feeling the smell. So this is not the right. Actually, I am using and I am feel like I am smelling like I am using papaya on my face. I am using some pineapple on my face. Yes, how it is? It is very good and it is really felt so nice. And you can see on my face also that I am too much happy. I am very much happy because of I am buying this and in a very low amount of price. And yes, sometimes I feel yes, the product cost is very high, so how it can be works on my skin. But no, yes, I am investing and I am also applying on my face, and look at my face, how it is glowing. You can see how it is glowing. You can see no open pores, no dark circles, no wrinkles, no fine lines. Some flappiness is there. Yes, because I am bulky, I have double chin, so that is not the thing. But after using this product, why we are using this product? Why Oriflame is better than any product? Because of here they are telling the truth, because they are actually using the natural ingredients. That is why their lipstick is not stable, because of they are using the natural one. Yes, they are natural one, they are using natural ones and they are applying onto the directly to the human beings, not to any other animals. And this is the main thing for Oriflame. Yes, now you can see my face. Yes, I am happy. And I think those people are using this product, they are also might be very happy to using it. Keep on using friend. If any other like this product is coming in the facial section, definitely I will show it to you. Your hand is always a very good it is a very good tool actually. If you, I don't know, I am not going through a facial degree, I do not have any beautician certificate, but still my tool is there. My 5 10 fingers are actually a main tool for doing facial. And this is the thing, this is the product quality. That is why it is looks like this. The instant result you can see only because of this tool and definitely the product. So because the time constraint, here I am stop doing massage, but still if you have time, please do some massage. Okay, massage is the main thing for any facial. So friends, right now I am using, again I have to wash my hand first. Okay, I'm already washed my hand. Okay, I'm using right now the facial pack. This is facial pack. And you can see the minimum amount. The minimum amount is required for doing this. For this is the face mask, and mask means it is penetrating well. Mask means it is penetrating well. If I am using this finger, again I am using this finger. After that I am using this finger. We are not using one finger at a time. Using now, if I am using this finger, I am using this finger. Now this is also for our health too. We look good definitely, but with some hygiene, by maintaining some hygiene. Otherwise, looks good, feels great is the, and also other thing is there. I'm using this finger. Now I'm using this finger. Using this finger. Now, if you are taken, if you have done, I have done. So, I'm close this lid. This is face mask. I'm not using the upper portion of my eyes, and gently mix it off, applying very well, and my next section also. So friends, it will take 5 to 10 minutes. It's need to dry first. Okay, as because of time constraint, I think it's not possible for me to wait for dryness. Still friend, after using this your face mask, please wait for 5 to 10 minutes for make it dry. Okay, after that you washing it. So friends, I'm not able to wait for 10 minutes, only 5 minutes is there. So friends, now I am removing my face mask. When you're removing your face mask, please do some massage. Please do some massage. But the thing is that friend, I'm not selling any product, but still I am giving you my consultation price to you. But in Oriflame product, the price of the product is sometimes decreasing, sometimes increasing. It is not in my hand. So if you finding this product to other in a very less amount, you can buy from them, but using is the main thing. My main motto is that to people use the correct product, use the correct product only for their skin, because we all know in from Fair and Lovely they are deleting the word hair. With dusky women are also looks good. Yes friend, you can see my face, you can see my face. I'm removing my mask. Next, here actually your facial is done, but still if you need to upgrade or wants to what I can say is yes, enhance the beauty or the effectiveness of this facial, so you can use this serum. Use this serum too after doing your facial. This serum, why using this serum? This before starting this video, I'm already describing that we have 3 layers. The name is epidermis, dermis and hypodermis. Your total facial is actually doing up to dermis, but hypodermis, 3rd layer, it is required to use this serum. Fine. If you have the booster, you can use it. Booster is also doing the same thing, but the difference between booster and serum is that that for an example, you want to go to the top floor, I also want to go to the top floor, but by the booster you are going by the lift, but if I am using this serum, I am going to the stair, but both of we are going to the same time, is not same time, is the same, there is a top floor, we all together we can go there, but thing is that you are going fast but I am going slow. This is the main difference of booster and this serum. So here I am using serum that my effectiveness is going to my 3rd layer and also working on it over the night. Okay friend, here I am using, this is only require this amount of serum is required for me, for anyone. If anyone comes from the Mars, then also so here I am using, so my facial has done. Yes, you can look my skin too under the light, so you can find the difference. Okay, so I think I hope you are liking this video, and also please do subscribe my channel. Okay, and also like my video like this, and keep spreading love to me and also watching my videos. I hope you will be fine very well to you. Okay, till then, have a nice day, have a wonderful day. Tata, bye bye, good night.